Okay, I think it's already the second live of the day. Um, okay, so we're all set to start this new stream. So just to show you where the game's at before we delve into the code. So, where is it? Where is it? Okay. So, this is the state of the game right now. So, earlier today, I designed a new mixer which looks way better than it used to. And I still have to make the button look right because for the moment it's only the default one, which doesn't look right. So, what we have going on is this. And this is a new client that we have, whose ability is to mask the fruits that you have by darkening them. And you have either to be lucky or to use the shapes here to also be lucky, or you can just memorize the fruits that you have and try to make what he asked for. But right now I didn't pay much attention to the colors, so I have one chance out of 3 to find the right fruit, and I didn't. Okay, but you see what it's supposed to be. Okay, so the game resumes as normal after the client's leaving. So now I can do whatever I want. And I think this is the right one. Yeah. So as you can see, the fruits, when I add them into the mixer, they're not quite... they're not in the right position. But this is a problem for future me, because right now we won't deal with it. I know how to fix that, more or less, but this is not the subject of this stream, because right now we want to add a new client. And what's better than designing a new client, I'm asking you. So it's 32 by 64, and that's it. Okay. So this client's ability is to hide the tips. So you won't have the help of the game to show you what is the shape of the fruits that you need to mix. So you'll have to eyeball it, and yeah. So I want this client to be non-human. I think a frog could do the trick, or something. It's very for the moment it's still, you know, an idea, but something like this. Oh, what did I do? See, something like this with the way. And why a frog? Just because I wanted a frog. It's not very deep. Because for the moment there's not much lore. There's no lore at all in the game. No story. Why does he look this? He looks mean. So as I was saying, there's not much of a story for the moment into the game, and I want to add one, but to do so I need a story. Okay, so I can do something like this. I want the game to be relaxing, so I don't want the frog to look angry at us. This mouth is terrible, but I'll fix it. Don't worry. Don't worry, be happy. I think I need to fix that. Okay, so we have the main features of the face. And I want this character to be very friendly. Yeah, something like that. Something like that would be very, very great. Oh, actually, I can make the whole outline with this color. I'm not very precise, and I'm not trying to be. It's just, you know. Okay, why not using black for this? And I want it to be wearing some kind of robe, because why not? New layer, and I want this robe to be some kind of monk thing. So first of all, I need to have some kind of shape. Oh, am I drawing on the wrong layer? Yeah, I am. I was wondering why I could still see the stroke. Okay, so something like this could be okay. And now it's time to add some red. This is too red, this is way too bright. Something like this. Yeah. Oh, we have a hole. Oh yeah, we do. Again, this is not the best way to do that, and I know. I just want it to be quick but effective. make some highlights and this little character, you know. Oh, wrong layer, sorry about that. You know, if I had $1 each time I selected the wrong layer, I could just buy the United States, I believe. Something like that. Yeah, he looks friendly. But I think he's looking a bit too friendly because he needs to have a default state, which is not necessarily a problem, but I have to make it different than the happy state. Okay. And this is his little frog wizard stuff, because why not? And I'm the one deciding here, so just deal with it. Oh, is that? And this is alright. So this is default state. Oh, this is not what I wanted. Contact, why can't I just delete it? Okay, so I'll just make it like so. Ooh. Okay, so this is our friendly character here, and he needs to be happy. And how to make him more happy? Well, we need to cover his oof, this was a tough one. We need to cover his hat. Whoa, again. We need to cover his eyes, like so. And he looks so happy right now. So this is happy state, and we'll make an angry state. We don't want him to be angry, but he'll eventually be if we mess up his order. So okay, and I don't want him to be angry, but we need to do it. Oh, holy moly, I'm just drawing again on the wrong layer. Okay, so this is layer 1. Oh, he looks so judgmental now. We might have to switch his stuff. We'll need to switch his hand, which is holding the staff, because no, wrong one. Yeah. Because he needs to be holding the a drink. Oh no, we can just change the drink. Okay, so I think we're all set now. It's times 4, so it's client 4 happy. No, and this one is angry. He's more sad than angry, but who cares? Okay, so PNG file export as Alexa, stop. Angry, yeah, but no export here. Okay, this is perfect. Yeah, this is export as client for happy, and this is PNG, like so, and the last one is default, so PNG client for default and times 4. Okay, so now we just have to test this. I think it's in there. I'll rewrite. This is a tough one again. I will rewrite all of this because this is very messy. This is not quite the right way of doing that, but who cares? Okay, so now we can. Okay, and this is our new client. I think he fits really well into the game. And what does he want? I don't want to make him sad. I want him to be enjoying. Yay! And he gave us a box, which is really rare. I don't care if you don't have what you want. You're too mysterious. Oh, and this is a regular customer. Okay, so we have our frog here, which is great. But now I will make the drop table, which is not really a drop table, but it's more of a odds table. Yeah, I think this is an appropriate name. So we have client. No, we have to have like client 0. Or we have to give her a name like Lila. And now she has a probability. Then we have client 0 Lila. I'm just testing if it's the right way of doing that, but it appears that it is not. So I don't know if you guys know how to insert keys into a table. Keys in table, go down. Oh, it's not a table. It needs to have semicolons. Where is it? No. No. How do you even... Jesus. Oh, like so. Okay. So I wasn't so far off, but I definitely shows how I'm not really used to use these things. Okay. So client 0 Layla. Oh, actually, we don't need names, I guess. Client 0. Client 1. So these are my coefficients more than anything, really. So client, just copy and paste. Client 2 is gonna have 10. Client 3 is gonna have a way, oh, something like, no, nope, something like this. Oh, this is client 3. And this is client 4. And they need to be way rare occurrences. So this is 30, this is 4. I think it's pretty fair to do this like this. Now I need to calculate RNG, which is for the moment here. But I don't know how to do that, so... Okay, so clients 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. They each have their coefficients. So I'm just gonna pause the music here because I need to concentrate. So what it means is that client 0 coefficient is 10. Well, actually, no, it doesn't matter. So, oh, we can just make. I know what we're gonna do. We're gonna make. Var peak ID. So it's gonna be a table which has each of the client represented as many times as it is written here. So for example, if instead of 10, we can make it 5. And instead of 2, we can make it 1. So we just divide it by 2. So what it means is that in this table, we're gonna have 5 times client 0, 5 times client 1, 5 times client 2, but only once client 3 and 4. And it's gonna pick randomly within this same table a client. So I think client ID. Okay, we can just remove that. Because keys work like this. All right. So this, you have to imagine the client, because I need it to be an int, an integer for it to work. So pick table, it's like this. So um, pick func pick ID. No, just like this. It's been a while. Okay, so now we have to make it work. And for it to work, we need to parse this. So for a in odds table, actually this is going way up here. For a in odds table, I don't know how to get the key. I just need to check it here. Okay. Okay. I'll show you guys how to do that. So I need to pick. So in odds table, I need to make this. Oh, for a in odds table, it's here. It's defined here. What's the problem? Here it works. For fruit in groceries, var amount equals groceries fruit. Why doesn't it work? It's the exact same thing. So we're just gonna uh oh, this seems to work. Okay. Pick ID table. Pushback. A. Okay, so this is going to be for A in odds table. Oh, we need to get rid of this. Okay, and okay, so client ID equals pick ID table dot A. I'll just write pick random. But I'm not sure this is going to work. Oh. Oh, I need to comment this. And this is going to crash. Alright, it didn't. I'm so surprised, guys. I was expecting it to crash. Oh, it's always gonna be 0, isn't it? This was too beautiful for it to work. Okay. Why do you still have your glass? Oh, okay. I think I'm never calling. Yeah, pick ID. So I need to call it here. And this is going to crash. Yeah. This is definitely what I was expecting. So pick ID can't take value from empty array. What do you mean? For A in pick ID can take value from empty array. 56. Pick ID table. For A in odds table. Oh. So the while is not triggered, so and this is where I needed this, I believe. Again, let's try. Okay. Can't take value. Client, no. Okay. So I need to print here. Print. um, I might need to revisit the documentation. For fruit in groceries, var amount. So pick ID table is empty. Var occurrence count is 0. For A in odds table, occurrence count. Oh, this is where we increment. No. Just gonna rewrite the whole thing. So for A in odds table, odds table push why can't I just why doesn't it work? Pushback odds table. What? For A in odds table that pushback. Oh no, it's pick ID table actually, which is logical. Push. Yeah. That's normal. Odds table. A. Okay, so we're trying again here, and okay, sorry about that. So sorry if I'm not very talkative today, but I'm very concentrated, very focused. What can I write here? Oh, how did I switch to this nightmare mode here? Oh, it's like in the terminal. Okay, so print. How did I do that? I hate this mode and I don't know how to exit it. Insert. Oh, here it is. Okay. Print, okay. Which means occurrence. Okay, and now we can try. Whoa. So this is 15, 17. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. This is exactly what I want. So we're not so far off, okay? And we're gonna print this to just see what we're putting inside. Okay. So instead, what's happening here? What if? What if? This is working, guys! I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. Guys. Guys, it's working. I invented this system, or at least didn't even look it up, and it's working. But I think that instead of running... Yeah. For the sake of the performance, I will run this only once, and this is gonna be in the peak idea. So this is... Oh, I'll do this later. You know what? This isn't very useful, but I can change the probabilities from right here. And this is excellent. For example, if I want to be almost sure to encounter the frog, I just do this, and now it's a frog. Guys, I'm so happy. You can't begin to fathom how happy I... Oh, can't output overflow, print less text. This isn't a problem. I do not care. I'm so happy. Happy, happy, happy. Happy, 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 happy. Okay, and this is going back to 1. And now this is very important because just gonna get rid of this. It's very important because now I can add as many clients as I want, and I just need to input their coefficient in here, and it's automatically gonna select them. Isn't it perfect? Oh, why do you have a glass, sir? Are you okay? Oh, yeah. This is one thing I didn't need to comment, and now I can get rid of this. Guys, I'm so happy. So happy about all of this. And guys, I'm going viral on LinkedIn. I know you use that, but I made almost 700 views on my last post. So yeah, life is good. Life is going great. What do you want? Oh, I completely forgot to make the effect for the frog, which is supposed to be hiding the hints. Did we encounter the frog already, or it's been a while? Yay, the frog! So we have to handle the frog effect. It's in populate tips. If tip spawns, So this should be working. Stop popping up. I cannot stand this journal anymore, and I have to make a use of this. Completely useless at the moment. Where is my frog? Here it is. Yes, and it's working. It's working. But it's not a pixel perfect game, guys. I know it. I know it. But I'm so happy. I'm so happy this is all coming together. So he wants this. I think we can... No, poor guy. Yeah, this is working. So I really feel like I'm making progress here, guys. The game is slightly better than it was. And yeah. So it might have been the last stream for today. But stay tuned.